So hello and welcome friends to our channel Mech, and here we discuss about basic mechanical engineering concepts. So guys, we have started our new series based on the selection of solenoid valves. There are n number of different parameters based on which we should select the solenoid valve. So we should know these parameters and we should know that how these parameters will affect the selection of solenoid valves. Today we will see that what is the flow media and what are its properties, say pressure, then other properties, and how it will affect the selection of wall and the type of wall, etc. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here we will see the medium. Now medium is very important. The fluid which is flowing through your wall, that can be say air, water, oil, say steam, or any other fluid. So depending on the type of the media, a lot of things are will change. So we have pressure, then we have a temperature. All these things will matter a lot while selecting a wall, right? So you can see that there are different materials. A brass body is the most common for solenoid wall, you can say, which is like suitable for most of the substances, but we cannot go always with the brass body. Then we have the seal materials like whiton and epidemium. They have some specific properties, but we should know the chemical resistance of materials. So based on that we can properly select the wall. So let's just check out this thing, the wall body materials. Now here you could see the wall body materials, the brass, what is properties like. Then stainless steel, we all know that it's a corrosive resistant material, like. Then we have a nylon wall body also. Then the seal materials, we have EPDM, we have FKM, then we have a PTFE Teflon, we have NBR. Then these are the different seal materials having different properties, and they have resistivity towards different materials. So you can see what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of all these seal materials. So you should know all these types of seals, what are their advantages, what are their disadvantages. And here we have some chart, the chemical resistance chart for liquids and gases, right? It will indicate that which material can be used for which specific type of media, right? We have plus, that will indicate a suitable thing. Then the 0 indicates limited suitability, and minus is unsuitable. BP is the boiling point. So let's check out some of the part. First we can see the media. First one, you can see the NBR is minus, that is not suitable. FKM is minus, EPDM is plus, and SS316 is plus, brass is plus. That means for this kind of material we can go with the EPDM seal material and brass body or steel body. So this is how this chart is very important. You should know this chart and these materials, how will affect your body, because if you select a wrong solenoid valve with the wrong body material and a seal material, it will be a disaster, because it will definitely going to fail, because your media will react with the wall and eventually your body may get corroded, or the seal will get like eventually wear out faster or get damaged earlier, and that's it. So that's why you should know all these things. So there are almost 200-300 materials listed out here, and you can take a reference of this chart. So this is very helpful while selecting your solenoid valve. So you can see this chart, you can just read this chart. This is very helpful. So many materials have been listed over here, right? So this is very important parameter, and most of the times we don't focus on this, that what is the material of wall and the seal material, but this is a very important parameter. Then we have a pressure and the temperature range. Pressure depending on the type of wall, the pressure also affects. Like we have seen the wall types like direct operated, then the pilot operated. So we know that for pilot operated wall there should be some pressure differential must be there. So we should know what are the pressure drops in the system, what is the pressure differential. So that is very important while selecting the proper wall. And then the temperature, of course, that what is the temperature of your media, because let's say if you are dealing with the water and if the temperature goes below, what will happen? It will get frozen. So you should know the basic properties of the your media, uh, the media, the wall you are selecting, and the media for which you are selecting the wall. So these parameters are very important. So this is it for the today's session, guys. So this is something I have just summarized over here. You can see, select the right housing material for your solenoid wall. You can just see over here the PVC, the nylon, brass, what are the pros and cons. And then we have the right seal for your solenoid wall. Again we have NBR, FKM, what are the pros and cons. So this is just a overview. So that's it, guys, for our today's session, and I hope the session was helpful. And if you have any doubts, please do write into the comment section below and we can discuss over there. Until then, keep intro making. Thank you for the patient listening. Thank you.